Hey guys, welcome to another video of code teaching. This is my first coding video, and for my next one I'm going to make any application that you guys propose on the comment section below. For today I will show you how you can make your own video player to stream any online video to avoid those ads and buffer. Alright then, let's get into the coding part. I'll be using an open source JavaScript library called Plyr.io. I'll put the link into the description. You can see all the instructions in your GitHub page. Okay, let's see what you can use. Let's find the JavaScript library and let's copy it into our project. Right now I have downloaded the JS file as well as the CSS file. So let's get started with the coding. First, I'll link the CSS file to our project, that is Plyr.css. And I'll link the JavaScript file. I'll fast forward a little bit and show you the final result. We are almost done. Let's look for some errors. Yeah, this would be on click. Okay, let's try the application. Let's open the folder and open the HTML file with the browser, and let's copy the video URL. I'll just copy this. Okay, I'm copying the video URL, paste on the input box and load the video. Click the play button. Yeah, now it's playing. So you can stream any online video. Yeah, it is playing smoothly. There you have it guys, our own online streaming video player without any buffer or without any ads. I will link the source code in the description below so that you can download it and you can check it or you can try it yourself. Please don't forget to like and subscribe and comment what kind of application should I make in the next video. Cheers.